Here's a delicious smoothie idea using some frozen bananas and some kale. First up, we need some coconut water. I need 250 mils of coconut water. I always like to add the liquid first to the blender. This is just going to make it much easier to blend. So we'll just measure that out. Great. Now we can add our frozen bananas, and this is going to give us a really thick texture to our smoothie. So in they go, about half of this pack. And then for our kale, so good for you. We're just going to take the leaves off. I've given it a really good wash. We'll break it up in our hands, and then in it goes with our banana. And 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Now, if you wanted to make this vegan, you could substitute regular yogurt for coconut yogurt. Absolutely delicious. To thicken this up, and also this is going to keep us nice and full for long because this essentially is a meal in itself, I'll be adding some oats. So about a tablespoon of instant oats. And I love the addition of some cinnamon. I'm not adding any honey or sugar to this because the bananas are sweet enough. Lid goes on, and I'm going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. How good does this colour look? Smells good too. All right, I'm going to pour this into my glass. Nice and thick. And finally, to adorn it, some extra cinnamon. I like to just use my little tea strainer here and just carefully add a small amount. You don't want to overdo it with the cinnamon, but just that hint of it will make a difference. Yummo. Breakfast in a glass, full of nutrients, so good for you. Frozen banana is going to keep that nice and cold, the perfect way to start the day.